Welcome to WebStarBrush. In this video, I will show you how to sign into your Google account. You need Google account login to access your Gmail, Google Drive, Photos, Workspace, and more. To do that, open a web browser and go to google.com website. At the top right, click Sign In button. Type your phone or email address here and press Next button. Now enter your password here and press Next. You might have two-step verification on your Gmail account. In that case, choose one of these options to verify your account. I will choose Get a Verification Code, add my phone number. Confirm your phone number by providing phone number in this box and then press Send button. You will get the code on your mobile phone. Type that code here and press Next button. After that, you will be signed into your Google account. You can verify that by clicking your profile icon at the top right. And from here you can click Apps icon at the top and select any app from Google to access it, like Gmail, YouTube, Drive, and more. You will be signed into that app because you already signed into your Google account. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.